Hey people, so as you can see, I have this cute little. He's oh my god, wow! He's almost finished this thing. Uh, he's now. I've decided to let him free from his cage in terms of even at night. I let him do what he wants, and that's his favorite spot. He's come to always come and sit there, and that used to be my spot when I would, when I had my baby and I'd be nursing my child, and also it would be there. So this little guy, I really have to say, yeah, of all the pets, rabbits are they're very comical. They are since they are vegan, so they are very low maintenance, and agreed they poop like all over the place. But poop also is like pellets, like as in goat poop that round. It's like that. So it's not as icky as dog or cat poop. So that's what this. I highly recommend rabbits as pets because they figure on the number 3 spot on the world's most adopted pets. I mean, after dogs and cats, it's rabbits, and they are adorable. Yeah, just look at them. So that's what. It's already a 1 minute video. So on that, is now getting ready to read. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.